Hello, everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm 8 years old. Today, I'm going to tell you about a very special day with my family. My family is the most important thing in the world to me, and we always have fun together. Let me take you on an adventure with my mom, dad, big sister Lily, and our dog, Buddy. Are you ready? Let's go. Chapter 1, Morning Fun. It's Saturday morning, and I wake up to the smell of pancakes. My favorite. I jump out of bed and run downstairs. In the kitchen, I see my mom flipping pancakes in the air, and my dad is pouring juice into glasses. Good morning, sweetie. My mom says with a big smile. She gives me a warm hug. Good morning. I reply, smiling back. I love Saturday mornings because it's the day when we all have breakfast together. My big sister Lily comes down next. She's 12 years old and always looks cool. Today, she's wearing her favorite pink hoodie. Did you save me some pancakes? Lily asks, pretending to be worried. Of course. My dad says, laughing. We wouldn't start without you. We sit down at the table and eat together. As we eat, we talk about what we want to do today. My mom suggests that we go to the park, and Lily wants to ride her bike. I think it sounds like a great idea. But before we go, we have to do a little cleaning. My mom always says, a clean house is a happy house. Chapter 2, Cleaning Time. After breakfast, it's time to clean up. My dad is in charge of washing the dishes, and I help him by drying them. Lily is in charge of vacuuming the living room, and my mom wipes down the counters. Teamwork makes the dream work. My mom always says, and she's right. When we all work together, the house gets clean in no time. While I'm drying the dishes, Buddy, our dog, comes running into the kitchen with his toy in his mouth. He wants to play, but we're too busy cleaning. Not now, Buddy, I say, laughing. We'll play later. Buddy sits down and watches us work, wagging his tail. He's such a good dog. When we finish cleaning, my mom says, "Great job, everyone. Now, let's get ready to go to the park." Chapter 3, Off to the Park. We put on our jackets and head out the door. The sun is shining, and it's a perfect day to be outside. Lily and I ride our bikes while my mom and dad walk behind us with Buddy on his leash. The park is only a few blocks away, so it doesn't take long to get there. When we arrive, Lily and I race to the playground. The playground is our favorite place in the park because it has swings, slides, and a big jungle gym. Look how high I can swing. I shout as I pump my legs back and forth. I love the feeling of the wind in my hair as I swing higher and higher. Lily climbs to the top of the jungle gym and waves to me. Come up here, Emma. The view is amazing. I climb up to join her, and we sit together, looking out at the park. From up here, we can see people walking their dogs, kids playing soccer, and families having picnics. It's such a beautiful day. Chapter 4, Picnic in the Park. After playing on the playground, we join our parents on the grass for a picnic. My mom has packed sandwiches, fruit, and cookies for dessert. We spread out a blanket and sit down to eat. As we eat, we talk about all kinds of things. My dad tells us a funny story about when he was a kid and got stuck in a tree. Lily and I laugh so hard that juice almost comes out of our noses. Dad, you're so silly. Lily says, shaking her head. After lunch, we play a game of catch with Buddy. He loves to chase the ball and bring it back to us. Even though Buddy is a small dog, he's very fast. He runs across the park, his ears flopping in the wind, and grabs the ball with his teeth. Good boy, Buddy. my dad says, patting his head. Chapter 5, A Family Walk. After playing in the park, we decide to take a walk along the nature trail. The trail goes through a beautiful forest with tall trees and lots of flowers. As we walk, we hear birds singing and see squirrels running up and down the trees. Look, there's a butterfly, I say, pointing to a colorful butterfly flying nearby. It's so pretty, Lily adds. I love being in nature. My mom smiles and says, nature is full of wonders. You just have to take the time to notice them. We walk along the trail, enjoying the peaceful sounds of the forest. My dad tells us the names of different trees and flowers, and my mom teaches us how to listen for different bird calls. It's so much fun learning new things with my family. Chapter 6, Home Sweet Home. After our walk, we head back home. We're all a little tired from our busy day, but we're also happy. When we get home, we relax in the living room. My mom makes some hot chocolate, and we sit on the couch together, sipping our drinks. Today was such a fun day, I say, leaning against my mom. I agree, Lily says. We should have family days like this more often. My dad nods. Family time is the best time. We spend the rest of the evening watching a movie together. Buddy curls up next to us on the couch, and I feel so happy and cozy. Chapter 7, Good Night, Family. As the day comes to an end, it's time for bed. My mom tucks me in and gives me a goodnight kiss. Good night, sweetie, she says softly. I love you. I love you too, Mom, I reply, smiling. Before I fall asleep, I think about how lucky I am to have such a wonderful family. We always have fun together, and we take care of each other. No matter what, I know that my family will always be there for me, and with that happy thought, I drift off to sleep, dreaming about our next family adventure.